Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Sequelize. Today we are going to learn about the lazy loading versus eager loading. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Lazy loading. Lazy loading refers to the technique of fetching the associated data only when you really want it. Eager loading, on the other hand, refers to the technique of fetching everything at once since the beginning with the larger query. Lazy loading typically refers to the fetching data on demand. Loading refers related data only when explicitly requested, while eager loading fetches all the necessary data in a single query. So let's go and check in detail. Lazy loading is the technique of fetching associated data only when you need it. Okay, in Sequelize, lazy loading is the default behavior. Okay, when you retrieve a record, related data is not loaded automatically. Instead, it is fetched from the database when you explicitly request it. So whenever you have this one, retrieves a student data. Okay, so await student find by PK with one. Related courses will fetched when assessed. Okay, so here you can see that you are here trying to fetch the student get courses data. Okay, then we have a eager loading is the technique of fetching all the necessary data upfront, typically using a single query with joins. It helps to reduce the number of database queries and is used when you know you will need the related data. So like await student find by primary key, so it's one include the courses, so load related courses eagerly. Okay, so this is how the lazy loading and the eager loading differentiate. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.